Hey guys, how are you? If you are new on my YouTube channel Technical Smith, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. So basically in this video I am going to tell you how we buy a biryani masala from Daraz App. So let's start our video. So first of all you have to install the Daraz App. After that you have to open the Daraz App and search here in the search box. Here should I'm writing here. Basically it might take few seconds. Here should I'm writing here biryani masala. After writing biryani masala you have to search for that, and you can see it basically different samples are kept in front of you. So basically I am going to click on this one, and the second one you can see it here. So basically here see it two samples are available in this one. First one in front of you can see it shan recipe and seasoning mix biryani seasoning mix for tasty meat layered leaf, you can see it here. And here is another sample, you can see it recipe and seasoning mix biryani, see it seasoning mix for tasty meat layered pilaf. So here should basically you can see it shan biryani masala 45 gram. So basically if we talk about the price of this one, that you see it PKR rupees 106 rupees. If we talk about the original price PKR 110 rupees, but after 4% off you can buy it all in PKR 106 rupees. Best price guaranteed by Daraz. Found a cheaper option, get your money back. Daraz verified, get exactly what you ordered. So basically if we talk about the rating, then you see it 4.9 out of which 5 star given here based on 319 reviews. And you can see it basically here 9k is already sold. So basically if we talk about the rating, then you see it here if you can see it here 216 people already love this product. So get it today, order within 3 minutes, free delivery 12 September to 13 September, on minimum spend of rupees 799. Ask question about this about the product, you can see it shan 92% positive review. Top 3 product in spices, you can see it here. Bank promotion, bank vouchers available, click to collect. Coins promotion, earn up to 106 coins on this item, redeem coins on checkout to get discount. So basically if we talk about the specification, then you can see it here. Brand Shan Foods, box content shan biryani masala 45 gram, and SKU number is also given here. So basically here see it delivery, you have to select your location on which you want to get this biryani masala. Get it today 8 p.m. Enjoy free shipping promotion with a minimum spend of rupees 799 from Shan. Rupees 98 is service charges. So service Daraz verified, get exactly what you ordered. 100% authentic and 14 days easy return. Change of mind is not applicable and warranty is not available. So here should basically rating and reviews, you can see it 319 reviews are given here, out of which some of them are given below. Best quality product by Shan, you can see it here, and delivered to my doorstep with a free home delivery. Thank you Daraz for making life so easy, and I am so happy. So here should basically sample are showing in front of you. So here should basically special Bombay biryani masala. Here should basically you can see it another one sample in front of you. Here is another one, you see it haldi powder, you can see it. So basically different samples are given here. Here basically you said by Stikare, I am really glad that the package of Shan biryani masala was delivered promptly. Ingredients instead of harmful, it makes the taste of food more delicious. So basically here's another one by Farhan E. Excellent product sale on Daraz. So question about this product, you can see it, there is no question yet. Ask the seller now and their answer will show here. So basically if you want to ask any question, then you have to click on this ask question option. Here should basically Shan 92% positive seller rating, 100% ship on time, and 96% chat response rate. So basically if you want to visit the store, then you have to click on this visit store option. Recommended by seller, you can see it different more samples are also showing here, and highlights are also given here. Brand Shan Food, Shan biryani masala 45 gram, Shan biryani masala 45 gram, Shan biryani masala 45 gram. So basically you have to buy this biryani masala, then you see the buy now option at the bottom of the screen. You have to click on buy now option for buying this biryani masala. Thanks for watching this video.